Hello everyone. Today we will discuss AMP HTML ads. As discussed in the last video, that this video was about AMP HTML ads and ad formats was pending. So we will discuss today AMP HTML ads, what are AMP HTML ads and what are the types of AMP HTML ads, and how these AMP HTML ads benefit the publisher as well as the advertiser. So these all things will be discussed in AMP HTML ad. So we'll start with what is AMP HTML ad. So AMP HTML ads are a better way of building, delivering and measuring ads that are faster, lighter and more secure. AMP HTML ads are ads built using AMP HTML and using many of the smart components that make AMP pages fast. AMP basically means accelerated mobile pages, which makes your page faster to load and it gives you the viewer a good UI experience, as well as if as far as ads are concerned, it gives good ad load experience. So the ad loads faster and in a smooth manner. So these ads are only delivered after being validated, ensuring that they are free of malware. Best of all, these ads can be delivered anywhere on the web, not just on AMP pages. AMP HTML ads achieves the goal of making ads themselves as fast as the rest of the AMP page. So it says that AMP HTML ads cannot only be served on AMP pages, they can be served on non-AMP pages also. AMP HTML ads can serve on both AMP pages and non-AMP pages. This includes both desktop and mobile web environments. There is no front-end visual indication to users that an ad being served is built in AMP HTML versus another type of ad. Benefits of AMP HTML ads. So there are various benefits of AMP HTML ads. So first is faster. AMP HTML ads are faster because the ads are requested earlier in the page rendering process and immediately displayed just before the user is about to view the ad. The reduced file size of AMP HTML ads also increases speed. It is lighter. AMP HTML ads combine commonly used ad functionality, which reduces the ad file size. Once on the page, AMP HTML ads also consume less resources. For example, instead of 10 trackers requesting their own information in regular ads, AMP HTML ads collect all the data once and distribute it to any number of interested trackers. Coordinated. On AMP pages, the AMP runtime can coordinate a mobile phone's limited resources to the right component at the right time to give the best user experience. For example, AMP HTML ads with animations are paused when the ads are not in the current viewport. More engaging. Users can't engage with ads they can't see. Faster ads leads to higher viewability and therefore higher click-through rates, which ultimately leads to better ad performance. So more engagement here means that the ads are faster, and they have high viewability, and they have higher click-through rates, which is a win-win situation for the advertiser as well as the publisher. It is safe from malware. It is impossible to spread malware with this AMP HTML ads because the ads are verified before being served. Because of this, advertisers can ensure a safe user experience and positive brand perception. It is more flexible. AMP HTML ads are designed to work on both AMP and non-AMP web pages as well as across any device. AMP HTML ad formats are very flexible and dynamic, allowing for many type of creative formats. So basically there are three types of AMP HTML ad formats, including carousel, parallax, and lightbox. We will discuss about all these creative formats in detail in other videos. So how AMP HTML ads work? So this is an AMP page with AMP HTML ad, AMP HTML ad code. It sends request to the server, ad server, and gets response from the ad server in terms of the creative. Ad server with AMP HTML ads implementation, and if the ad server fetches the ad very fast and then validates the ad, and this is the creative which is used by the ad server to display the ads in HTML format. So publishers insert an ad slot on their AMP page via the AMP ad tag. specifying the ad network they wish to use. The AMP runtime sends an ad request to the specified ad network to retrieve the ad. Ad networks capable of serving AMP HTML ads provide a fast fetch implementation that validates and signs the creative. The ad network responds with the AMP HTML ad, and the AMP runtime renders the ad on the AMP page. This is the whole process. Then you have reservation with AMP HTML ads. The create AMP HTML ads for image, custom, and third-party creative types directly in Ad Manager. Report an AMP HTML ads using the creative technology dimension. Learn how to traffic native ads in AMP HTML. To deliver AMP HTML ads on non-AMP pages, no special integration is required. It's not recommended using the AMP Analytics tag with AMP HTML ads for click tracking purposes because the JavaScript for this tag may not have loaded by the time a click occurs, resulting in undercounting of clicks or discrepancy. So anybody using a third-party tracker in case of AMP tags should remember this, that AMP Analytics is not preferably to be used as a tag with AMP HTML ads for click tracking purposes because the JavaScript for this tag may not have loaded by the time a click occurs and resulting in undercounting of clicks. AMP HTML ads on non-AMP pages. AMP HTML ads can serve on both AMP pages via the Ad Manager AMP HTML ad tag and non-AMP pages via the Google Publisher tag. So on AMP pages via the Ad Manager AMP HTML ad tag will work. On non-AMP pages, the Google Publisher tag will work for AMP ads. On non-AMP pages, the AMP HTML ads serve into a friendly iframe, further improving ad latency and performance. If you would like to move AMP HTML ads in a cross-domain safe frame, you can do so by calling set force safe frame, page level or slot level with GPT tags. AMP HTML ads as a demand source. AMP HTML ads may appear in any ad slot where a bidder may supply a plain HTML creative. When the demand comes from Google via Ad Exchange or Google Ads, Ad Manager will automatically serve AMP HTML ads over non-AMP HTML ads when we know. The AMP HTML ad will function correctly, serving the AMP HTML ad benefits your web performance. Serving the AMP HTML ad benefits your users. Ad Manager serves AMP HTML ads over regular ads on both AMP and non-AMP pages via Google Publisher tag. Available AMP ad features in Ad Manager. So this is a table which provides a summary of features available for AMP HTML ads in Ad Manager that can be seen in the ad section of the AMP roadmap for new innovations. AMP HTML ads can serve both on AMP pages via the Ad Manager AMP HTML ad tag and non-AMP pages via Google Publisher tag. This includes both desktop and mobile web. The future versions of AMP may have an expanded list of available features. You can read the newest AMP functionalities in the public AMP runtime release notes. So ad formats generally used in AMP HTML are display ads, rich media ads that doesn't resize. Display ads are generally inline sticky, native ads, fixed and fluid type of native ads, then text ads, HTML5 ads. Creative must be HTTPS. Video ad availability depends on vendor. AdSense responsive layout. Not available currently is interstitials, expandables, flash, non-HTTPS and rich media that resizes. Rich media ads in AMP HTML. There are two types of rich media ads which are available in AMP HTML. The expressive ads, which are more expressive in the default state post rendering. For example, ads with video, audio, or animations versus a simple image or text tag. These ads are somewhat supported by AMP by default because AMP renders these ads into an iframe and executes the ads as is. Interactive ads, which show a different state of the ad when the user interacts with it. For example, on interaction, an ad that expands to the full screen of the device and allows the user to play a video game within the ad itself. As long as the ad network serving the ad supports the SafeFrame API, interactive ads should have no problem rendering on AMP pages. In almost all cases, JavaScript-based ads should just work as AMP renders JavaScript ads in an iframe and executes them as is. For publishers who want to confirm, ask your ad creators or vendor if they support the SafeFrame API. AMP pages have specific rules around causing reflow without user interaction. Available ad sizes and creative types compatible with HTML. Ad sizes generally as static ad sizes 300 250, 320 50 static size native ads. Fluid sizes, fixed aspect ratio responsive ad that comply with AMP. Sizing network, multiple ad sizes in a single ad slot. You can use CSS media queries to define different ad sizes based on viewports. Not available are the ad sizes that are unknown at the time of the request. Ads that change size automatically without using the resize APIs. The creative type compatible AMP HTML are custom sizes, image sizes, third-party creatives, and native size. And not available are campaign manager 360 tags, image animation, mobile video interstitial, and SDK mediation. Thank you very much for watching this video on AMP HTML ads. I thought that it will be better to make a separate video on AMP HTML ads. These ads are in fashion currently, and these ads are in trending very much because like the web stories have become very popular these days. The web story ads via programmatic demand is also gaining too much traction. So I would like to also make a video on how to create web story ads for your publisher and how to create a programmatic ad demand for the web story ads. That can be discussed in one of the videos. As of now, we will discuss HTML5 creative type size creatives in the next video, where we will discuss how HTML5 creatives are uh, made and how these creatives are uploaded and published in Google Ad Manager. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep learning and keep implementing new things in Google Ad Manager. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.